Hello everyone, welcome to this last part of gas law series. In the earlier parts we understood what is Boyle's law and Charles law. We also did some numericals on it. In this part we are going to understand what is gas equation and we will also attempt some numericals on it. Gas equation is an equation which is used in chemical calculations to calculate the change in volume of a given mass of dry gas due to the simultaneous effect of temperature and pressure. This means when the values of temperature and pressure are changed, they also affect the volume of a gas. Now let's derive the gas equation using Boyle's law and Charles law. When temperature is constant, volume is inversely proportional to pressure. This is Boyle's law. When pressure is constant, volume is inversely proportional to temperature. This is Charles law. If we combine both of them, we will get, let's cross multiply them. If we remove this proportion sign, we will get PV upon T is equal to constant. Now if we take two set of values of P, V and T, we will get P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2, and this is the formula of gas equation which we are going to use in the numericals. Now let's attempt some numericals. In the numericals of Boyle's law or Charles law, temperature or pressure is constant, but in the numericals of gas equation, nothing is constant. Also in some of the numericals of gas equation, STP is given, standard temperature pressure, or NTP, normal temperature pressure. When it is given in the numericals, it means that the default value of temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 76 centimeter of Hg. Now let's start with our first numerical. Here it is given a fixed volume of gas occupies 1140 cc. This is volume at 27 degrees centigrade. This is temperature. We will convert this into Kelvin. And 80 centimeter of Hg. This is pressure. Find the final volume of gas at STP. So the final values of the gas are in STP. Here the standard value of temperature will be 273 Kelvin and pressure will be 76 centimeter of Hg. Now let's start with the given values. Initial pressure, initial volume, initial temperature, final pressure is at STP, so 76 centimeter of Hg. V2 we have to find out final volume. Final temperature is 273 Kelvin. Now let's apply gas equation. Cancellation, 19 4 जा 19 6 जा 3 91 4 2 जा 2. So our final volume is 1092 cc. Our next numerical is what temperature would be necessary to double the volume of a gas initially at STP. So the initial values of the gas is at STP, standard temperature pressure. Temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is 76 centimeter of Hg. If the pressure is decreased by 50%, so let's write the given values. Initial pressure at STP. Initial volume is not given, so we will take it as V. Initial temperature at STP. Final pressure is decreased by 50%. Final volume, double the volume of initial value. So initial value is V. So final value is 2V. Final temperature we have to find out. So let's apply the gas equation. So V2 is T1, P1 is 76, V1 is V. Now cancellation. So the answer is 273 Kelvin. Now we will convert this into degree centigrade. And the answer is 0 degree centigrade. Our last numerical of gas equation is a fixed volume of gas has 750 cc of volume at minus 23 degrees centigrade. This is initial volume, this is initial temperature. We will convert this into Kelvin. And 800 mm of pressure, this is initial pressure. Calculate the pressure. This is, we have to find out final pressure, for which the final volume is 720 cc and final temperature is minus 3 degree centigrade. Let's write the given values. Initial pressure, initial volume, initial temperature, 250 Kelvin, final pressure we have to find out, final volume, final temperature. Let's apply gas equation. Substitution. Cancellation. So our final pressure is 900 cc. Here we have completed all the parts of gas laws. In this we understood Boyle's law, Charles' law, gas equation. We also did numericals on it. I hope you have understood all of them. If you have any query, write to me in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.